Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make Penne Rosa. This creamy tomato pasta is a copycat recipe from a very popular fast casual restaurant in the United States called Noodles & Company. The best part is it's super easy to make and it's ready in about 15 minutes, maybe 20 if you're super slow at prepping your ingredients. Because it's so fast, this is one of those recipes where you want to make sure you have everything ready to go. Dice 4 Roma tomatoes, slice 8 ounces of mushrooms, you can use cremini or white, and mince up 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. Have 3 cups of fresh baby spinach leaves ready to go, and shred about half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Once you have everything prepped and ready to go, it's time to head on over to the stove because dinner is going to be ready soon. Season a large pot of boiling water with about a tablespoon of salt and cook 1 pound of penne pasta for the time indicated on the package directions. Grab a large 12-inch skillet. We're going to cook everything in there and add the cooked pasta in when it's done. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in the skillet over medium-high heat. Add in your 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms and we'll saute those until they start to soften, which will be about 3 to 5 minutes. Then we'll add in our minced garlic and a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, which are optional, but it's nice to add a little bit of a kick. Let this cook for just about 30 to 60 seconds. Then pour in 1½ cups of marinara sauce. Reduce the heat to low and we'll let this simmer until our pasta is done cooking and it's almost done. I told you this recipe moved fast. I'm going to drain the pasta, pour it in with our sauce. We're going to add in our 4 diced Roma tomatoes to add a little bit of tomato freshness to this. And we're going to start adding in our baby spinach as we stir, and the heat from the pasta will wilt that. Just as that spinach starts to wilt, pour in half a cup of heavy cream, and you can season this with salt and pepper to taste, and then stir to combine. It may or may not need salt and pepper. It's really a matter of personal taste preferences. We are ready to eat, so you'll serve this up hot with that freshly grated Parmesan cheese for serving. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.